Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix credit card number does not match credit card type or credit card number is invalid. If you're using any iPhone and you're trying to add your credit card or debit card into your Apple ID, but you're having the issue that your number has not matched your credit card type or your number has invalid. So let's see how can you fix the issues. The very first, you have to make sure that you have a strongest network connection, and after that you have to double check your VPN connection. If you're connected to any VPN, try to disconnect with that, because sometimes VPN might be error of this type, because the VPN may affect your location based contents. And after doing that, you just have to open your app store and then tap on your Apple ID in the top right corner, then select your Apple ID again, and here you just have to wait for the next screen, or you have to verify yourself using your Face ID or your Apple ID password. And once you have done, you just have to select the country or region option, and you have to make sure that you have selected the correct country or region respective to your location or respective to your credit card or debit card. So you have to keep in mind that you have select the country of which credit card you're using. So let's wait for this loading and then select. Now just select the country or region in which you're living, and once you have selected, just tap on it, and here select continue option, and here you just have to agree with some terms and conditions of Apple. Just tap on agree in the top right corner, and here you just have to add your payment method. So just wait for its loading or wait for a moment, and here you just have to enter the details of your credit or debit card, or if you're using PayPal, so you can add your PayPal account here. But if you're selecting credit card, debit card, so you have to enter your card number here, or you have to make sure that you have entered the correct card number, or you can use this camera option to scan your card manually or directly put the information of your card. So in this way, you can easily fix your issue if you're having that credit card number has been invalid. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.